The story of an apple tree and a girl. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. Lily lived at a small house in the countryside with her parents. Behind their house, there was a beautiful apple tree. Every morning, Lily would wake up early and go to the apple tree. She loved to watch the birds singing in its branches and the sunlight shining through its leaves. One day, while Lily was sitting under the apple tree, she noticed a tiny bird's nest nestled among the branches. Inside the nest, there were 3 small eggs. Lily was excited. She decided to keep an eye on the nest and watch as the baby birds hatched. Every day, she would visit the tree and check on the eggs. After a few weeks, the eggs began to crack, and tiny chicks emerged. Lily watched in amazement as the mother bird fed her babies and taught them to fly. As the days passed, the apple tree started to bear fruit. Red and juicy apples hung from its branches, ready to be picked. Lily and her family enjoyed the apples from the tree. They made apple pies, apple juice, and even gave some to their neighbors. Years went by, and Lily grew older. But she never forgot the apple tree and the memories she had shared under its branches. Even today, whenever Lily visits her old home, she makes sure to sit under the apple tree and reminisce about the wonderful times she spent there. And the apple tree continues to stand tall, providing shade and happiness to all who come to visit. Story 2. A story of a mango tree and a little boy. In a small village nestled between lush green hills, there stood a magnificent mango tree. Its branches stretched wide, offering shade to anyone who sought refuge from the scorching sun. The villagers admired the mango tree for its beauty and the delicious fruits it bore every summer. Among the villagers was a young boy named Raj. Raj loved spending his days playing in the shade of the mango tree. He would climb its sturdy branches and pluck ripe mangoes to enjoy with his friends. One summer, as Raj was playing near the mango tree, he noticed something peculiar. A tiny bird had built a nest among the branches, and inside it lay 3 delicate eggs. Excitedly, Raj watched as the mother bird diligently cared for her eggs, keeping them warm and safe. Day by day, he witnessed the miracle of life unfold as the eggs hatched, and the baby birds chirped with joy. As the seasons changed, the mango tree bore fruit once again. The villagers gathered beneath its branches, eagerly awaiting the ripe mangoes to fall. But one day, a fierce storm swept through the village, with strong winds and heavy rain. The villagers watched in dismay as the mango tree swayed dangerously in the gale. After the storm had passed, the villagers rushed to the mango tree, fearing the worst. To their relief, the tree still stood tall, though some of its branches had been broken. Determined to save their beloved tree, the villagers came together to care for it. They trimmed the broken branches, nourished the soil, and prayed for its recovery. Months passed, and the mango tree began to flourish once again. Its branches grew stronger, and soon, it bore fruit more abundant than ever before. The villagers rejoiced, grateful for the resilience of the mango tree and the blessings it bestowed upon them. And Raj, now a grown man, continued to cherish the memories of his childhood spent beneath the shade of the majestic mango tree. I hope you enjoyed this story about the mango tree. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn.